A few weeks later, winter has really arrived. The first snow this December has turned the garden white. You might think this is boring, but you should know there's still a lot to see and do when there's snow. Tiger watches the birds as they come and go. They know he's there. They pick at the seeds in the bird feeder, but they also watch out for him. They know that he's safely locked inside. When the door opens, by the time he gets outside, they're all gone. Oh well, he has better things to do. Tiger hates water, but he loves snow. Now here's a cat on a mission. He's hunting and searching. Is it here? Or is it there? It could be anywhere. It's snowballs he's hunting for underneath the snow. He keeps looking and chasing after them for as long as I keep throwing snowballs for him. When he gets too cold, he races back inside. It's cold outside, but inside it is cozy and warm, and Tiger has lots of time to sleep until spring comes around again.